try and build something. It's not gonna go well. I'm gonna start with this pole right here and clean it up, get it all nice and even, and then make use of all this dead stuff around here. There's dead stuff everywhere.
And hopefully this old locust tree doesn't fall on us.
Oh yeah, that's nice. It's real nice. Ooh. Bunch of whatever this is.
Tree.
Hickory? Oak?
No, it's a tree.
How do you know that?
Because the way it is.
Oh. What are you doing?
Getting wood.
Welcome back.
Thanks. What are you? I'm actually measuring.
Hey, thanks. Mmm.
Don't you just burn it in the bag?
Oh, yeah, you can. Can't you? I want to burn the whole thing, though. I want to burn.
Go to the beach and get another one.
I want to burn the whole thing. I'll cut it. Just kidding, I'm not going to cut it.
It's hard like wood?
It's made of like, yeah. It says it burns for hours. It also says it's not actually fried chicken. It's just it's a bundle of cardboard, dude. There's no chicken in this.
What?
Why would they? You know why? Because someone would eat it if they said. It smells good, doesn't it? It tastes good. What does it taste like?
Doesn't even taste like chicken. It's garbage. Where's the plastic?
There's no plastic. It's all cardboard.
No, we gotta leave no trace.
Oh yeah, we're gonna burn the plastic later.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How much was that?
$2.
$2?
Too
Wow.
much.
Oh. Okay, fair enough.
1,300.
Okay, it's not bad.
It's not terrible.
Not bad for a cool shotgun.
Yeah. And I can do this.
What are you doing?
Vibing.
No, you're just vibing.
Yeah, I'm just vibing.
Okay. We're waiting on the bacon to get done, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, we're gonna leave the bacon a little chewy with the chowder. And we're gonna dump in. Actually, you know what? Chicken.
Chicken.
We're throwing the chicken, right? True way.
It's already cooked. Throw it in at the end.
Oh yeah, you're right. Alright, we're gonna throw in the broth. It's bone broth.
Deglazing. So, how about a little beer review? Alcohol stick. This one is by Kawa Beer. I think that's Japanese for made in the deep south USA. I really didn't know that. So, we got our bottom thing, and we got a windbreak. Where's the windbreak? Nice as in folded piece of aluminum. That's fine. Got your denatured alcohol. It's important that you use denatured alcohol for a reason.
Alright, I cut up the rubies, but I'm going to keep the yellows whole because they're relatively small. Nice little treat, nice little pop of flavor.
Make it some confetti. Today I am sporting this Morinov. It's from
Just picked up some basic,
Switzerland.
just some chunk chicken we're going to throw in there. A little extra additive. I'm going to drain it first.
Knife. Let me see if I can do it. Wood spark. Nope.
Alright, got the chicken drained.
There's
We're gonna throw it in there.
Turn it over.
Ugh.
Oh, it's soaked up all of it. Okay. Let's put a little bit more in there. See, it's soaked up. And I'll put some more in. A little puddle. And I got the lid on upside down. Give a quick shake, get some of that alcohol on top. I'm thinking that might give us slight advantage to it doesn't evaporate.
Next, we're gonna add in a can of corn. Any corn will do. Probably should have used cream corn for this, but it's whatever.
Let's fill her up. Let's do it. Maybe the fumes aren't volatile enough just to have a little bit. This is not intuitive.
Well, that's good. A lot of corn. Shout out to Jester for the sweet little spice kit from Townsend's. So on the way over here, I thought that I left my utensils. So we stopped by Walmart to grab food, and I found this little utensil kit. I'm actually really surprised at this little kit. I mean, you've got forks, knives, 2 little liquid holders, I guess for soap or oil maybe, sponges for cleaning. It's got a cutting board in here. Like, this is really nice from Walmart, and it's got these individual spice jars, which is really cool. I mean, they come apart. Very cool. There's a smaller one too. Got a little ladle, tongs, freaking a whisk, I guess. Whisk. Whisk.
Whisk.
Whiskey. There's whiskey in the creek.
Whiskey.
Whisk.
Whiskey.
Yeah, this is really neat. I thought it was something to share, but probably not. Oh man, this is comfy.
It looks comfy.
It's really comfy. Oh, it's just kind of downhill a little bit. Very nice, very nice. Ow! Getting stabbed. Ow! Ouch! Ouch! And then I got my quilt. It's supposed to get down to 33 tonight, which is almost 32. So...
Get you a hammer drill, slap these blades in here, and you get some green wood, and you just drill down on it, and it makes that.
Hang on. What is... Oh, like for furniture.
For furniture.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, so I was thinking we could...
Do you have an auger?
Comes with the bit, so you can drill the hole for the peg to go in. So we can be pegging out here.
Oh, darn.
Yeah.
Why aren't we... I'm surprised we're not pegging right now.
I know, well, we've been just so busy building shelters that it's just not enough time to peg, but hey.
Maybe we can peg in the shelter later.
We probably could.
Yeah, I don't know. It's up to you.
I mean, I'm open to pegging.
Mm-hmm. Add a little bit more broth. And then here in a bit I'm going to add the cheese and some more green onions. What are you doing?
Shaving my wood.
Why are you shaving your wood?
Cause I got a peg.
Oh, you're gonna peg?
Yeah.
It's getting dark out. You're gonna be able to peg in the night? In the dark?
My flashlight's locked, but trust me, it works.
Alright. Now what? You didn't think about that, did you?
Nope.
Oh, there you go. I think once you get it started, you'll be okay. Break an ankle. Reverse it.
Perfect.
Perfect for pegging.
Yeah.
Here, hold it up. Put it up against the tree. Put the fork up against the tree and then unscrew it. Like chest height. Now do it. Like the forks. Put the forks. Put the tree between the forks. There you go. Now do it. Now let's see. Oh my god. I think we're gonna cancel this project.
Oh my gosh. Jeez.
Cheese.
Jeez.
Jesus Christ.
That was corny. Get it? There's corn in it.
What happened?
What
Did
happened?
it work?
Oh, I got it unstuck it. Now let's drill. Ah! Check out my peg though.
Very, very hot. Very hot. Oh, look at the cheese.
How do you like my chair?
You made that. Where's the other two legs?
Okay, don't be ableist.
Where's the other two legs?
This is perfectly handicapped.
Thank you.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna make them later. Is that me or you?
It's a frog.
Oh, yeah, frog.
Yeah. They're hardy.
Bruh,
It's very hardy.
that's so good. I'm gonna be like, you know who Mark Weens is?
Who?
Mark Weens?
No.
Okay. He's a YouTuber, he travels for food, but anytime he eats something, he's like, I can see just the creaminess and the goodness, and the cheesiness. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's just goodness and the corniness and the chickeniness. Oh wow. That's literally all he does.
It's very cold. How'd you sleep?
Well, I could use some more.
More sleep?
Yeah.
It was cold.
It was cold.
What are you making?
For the first time, tortillas.
You're making tortillas for the first time.
For the very first time.
In the woods.
In the woods.
With no kitchen.
With no kitchen.
Alright.
Yeah. I'm guessing this is a cup of water. I don't know. It's like 4 cups of flour, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking soda, like a teaspoon is gonna do anything. Some oil and warm water. Let's see how this goes. Tortilla!
How's the tortilla?
Ever had a cracker?
A cracker? Of course I've had a cracker.
Kind of like that.
Oh, okay.
There's nothing like Mexico.
Oh.
Whatever that
A little hot. For my cloth gloves. La la la. Dude, you know who you look like right now? You look like the Liver King doing his workout. What you making? Is it tea time?
Cafefe.
It smells really good.
It's coffee like Trump tweeted. Cough COVID Fifi as an iron. Iron's in the vaccine. Okay? You're gonna illuminate and you're gonna ruminate on your infertility. Taster's choice.